can I borrow money from my Globe Life Insurance policy? Yes, you can borrow money from your Globe Life Insurance policy, but only if it's a whole life or universal life policy that has built up sufficient cash value. Globe Life's term life policies do not accumulate cash value and therefore are not eligible for policy loans. In the case of a qualifying permanent policy, you can borrow up to 90% of the accumulated cash value. This process is relatively straightforward. There's no credit check, no formal loan application, and no impact on your credit report. The borrowed amount is not considered taxable income, provided the policy remains active. You have the flexibility to repay the loan on your own schedule, or not at all. However, any unpaid loan balance, along with accrued interest, will be deducted from the death benefit paid to your beneficiaries. It's important to note that building up sufficient cash value to borrow against can take several years. Some policyholders have reported that it took about a decade before the cash value exceeded the total premiums paid. Additionally, if the loan balance plus interest ever exceeds the policy's cash value, the policy could lapse, leaving you without coverage and potentially triggering a tax liability. A fascinating aspect of these policy loans is that, unlike traditional loans, they don't require repayment on a set schedule. However, the interest continues to accrue, and if not managed carefully, can erode the policy's value over time. Globe Life. Before deciding to borrow against your Globe Life policy, it's crucial to understand the terms and implications fully. Consulting with a financial advisor or the insurance company can provide clarity on how such a loan might affect your policy and financial goals.